Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? I am back. Lord Banks in the house, ready to make some money. London session. Happy St. Patrick's Day. If you can't tell, I'm in festive mode. What's going on, Roma? What's good, Mike? Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. Thanks for being a part of the stream here, supporting and showing some love. Yo, yeah, man, I did see gold. Gold went ridiculous. Look at that. It broke this level of resistance. And, you know, it's only right because you gotta understand, you gotta have a large candle break this level. This is weekly resistance. That thing went crazy. How many pips was that? Did anybody catch that? I mean, this is Asian session. Actually, this is like 1 o'clock in the afternoon today, right? Boom, boom. 200 pips, guys. I mean, came up to 247, 250, looking crazy. Damn. Hopefully, some of you guys, you missed it, bro. Yeah, me too, man. I mean, I don't trade Asian. I'm done by 8:30, right? So I was down right here. I was done, and it pushed up, pulled back, and then just went for this massive move. That's wild. And you know what? What's crazy though is 13 o'clock is 1 o'clock. And that was news, man. Remember we talked about that yesterday? News for the 17th. Let's see, 17th, 1 o'clock USD. So the FOMC, more hawkish than expected. It's good for currency. That seems a little weird, but yeah, man, this move was the news, bro. FOMC. That's how gold reacted. Gold knows the US economy is bullshitting. Oh man, feels good to be back, man. It's been quite a productive day. I was on for London yesterday and New York. And yeah, I mean, we caught some good moves. We didn't trade GJ during New York. We caught a nice trade for on gold during New York session. I think I ended up closing just like 20 pips and getting out of there, but we had done this setup, this consolidation phase. It was around here, and I said it would consolidate here, and it ended up dipping down. And look what's crazy though. Right here, my level, my price level, I wanted to focus on. Remember, I said really I wanted to come above or below this level. It came down, tested this level, respected it, and pushed it all the way up to the other level. Right? Until it broke through and came back down into it. Wild, so wild. But yeah, man, I'm excited to trade today. looks like a nice market. Looks like we have some nice ranges here. I expect some good opportunities, and yeah, so we'll get into the analysis here in a little bit. I just want to check a couple of things while I am here before I forget. Let me go ahead and share this stream and send the link over to where we're at here. And guys, I think I'm gonna just stream London session because I don't get a lot of people coming in for New York. I think everybody has like jobs and stuff, so they don't log in for New York. I mean, I could be wrong. I don't know, like if it changes or whatnot, but most people come in for London. I don't get that many people for New York. So if it's not really, you know, helping anybody, like I just don't see a reason to be jumping on, you know. At the end of the day, I mean, I trade it regardless for myself, but going live is, you know, to help the people, give the people what they want, get people paid. London session, we are officially March 18th, mid-month of the March. We have a one trading session left for the week. It's been a phenomenal week. We've been profitable. We've taken a few trades here and there, and I'm currently up a little over 10% for the week. So looking good, feeling great. And I'm gonna keep it going. Hopefully we keep a nice streak going here. Let me know if there's any specific pairs you guys want to look at. We have extra time today because what we figured out yesterday was the fact that London session is actually an hour forward because we changed times here in the US, North America, because daylight savings time. So pre-London is at 1:30 Central Standard Time. So we're a little early. We have some extra time. I can look at some charts. I can give some feedback on any marked up charts you guys may have, or look at any pairs and do some top-down analysis on those. I just wanted to review this because this is what I left off on New York, setting up this little channel here. And a prediction of price. Although price did push down a little bit here to test this level of key level of support, it did come up to the area I was looking at. And usually when you do these kind of longer trades, one of the most effective strategies that I've come across is zone to zone. So if this blue line was a zone, you would have put your stops below here, and then you would have targeted the next level up, right? And this one would have actually hit your take profit before it came back down, testing the support here and continuation. But either way, you still see that, you know, this is a bullish trend, even with this little fake out here. So anyways, happy St. Patrick's Day for everybody that's celebrating. You know, I am Mexican Irish, or at least that's what my Irish friends tell me. It's been a good day. What's up, Roma? You gonna stay awake today to catch a trade? Yesterday you crashed out and missed our moves. We took a couple trades with some profit yesterday, London. Hopefully, hopefully you don't get caught slacking today. Yo, I'm trying to test out the alert system here for the Streamlabs. I wonder if any of you guys would be so kind and to I don't know if it would do it for a like. Should do it for like. Hold on a second. Oh, it doesn't say. Did you guys see that alert here come up? Gonna go get a monster. Yeah, I take Red Bull. Actually, you know, 5-hour energy has been pretty awesome. That's what I've been taking, because even after the stream, man, I got a lot of work to do with some consulting work, some other business ventures, and just necessities that I need to get done. So, oh, you did see the alert? Maybe it is working. Let me try it again here. Did you see that? Did you see it? Did you hear it? Let me ask you that. Likes don't pop up on YouTube, only Facebook, but subs pop up. Okay, is that what it is? Sorry, I'm still new to this kind of stuff, and there's a lot of options and stuff. Eventually, I want to get to a point where I can, like, you guys can earn like points for joining. Oh, you don't hear it. You see it, but you don't hear it. Huh. I don't know. Anyways, I'll keep working on getting it fixed. We'll work it out. What's up, Mike? How you doing today, bro? What are you looking at? Jumping into anything? Anybody got any charts they want me to look at? Bro, how do we do share charts with you? Oh, if you got to be using TradingView first of all, and when you're in the platform here, if you're looking at my screen, come up here to this camera, click on that, take snapshot. You're gonna save the image. The page that it goes to, up here at the top in the URL, you copy the last string after the X. Excuse me, you copy that, and then you throw that into the chat. Like this. See, I just threw that into the chat. Once you throw that into the chat, I can copy it from the chat and pull it up, and we can review what you've marked up. Easy as that. Easy as pie, baby. Yo, I would really like to like play some music while we're doing this, but there's this whole like copyright issue with the music, and I'm not trying to get in like YouTube jail, but it'd be cool if I could play. Like I used to play music in my Zooms, you know, because there's no like copyright stuff there, and we would just like listen to music while we're waiting. All right, let's see. Look at this chart. Let's look at this chart that Mike is sending over and see what this looks like. All right, Mike, we're looking at gold here, and it looks like you are looking for a sell on gold. You have a level of support resistance here, key level, targeting below wicks. First of all, I wouldn't target the bottoms of the wicks. I would target the bottoms of the bodies, especially with gold, man. Gold, like, gold be moving wild. So I target my first target is always going to be what my risk is, first of all, and then I'm looking for the levels right below the bodies, because I've been in many trades where it goes to that level but is like a couple of pips away, and I have way more success rate targeting the bottom of the bodies of the candlesticks. So that's my first suggestion here. My second suggestion here is, why are you going bearish? We're on the 15-minute, and this thing just completely shattered all these prices. And here's the low, moved up, here's the low, moved up, here's a low, small retracement, pushed up, here's a high. Now this broke market structure, but it's pushing up right now. I don't know if I would take a short. Really, I'd probably want to see it break this level. Maybe if it breaks this level, I could take a short in this range, hit my target level, adjust stops, and then let it run, because this is a huge ass wick, like clean traffic to the downside. You could probably let it run all the way down, but that's only if it breaks this area. I wouldn't even set this up until it would break this area, to be honest. I don't know. We'll see, I guess. See if it continues or pushes back down. You know, because I think it broke here. Maybe, what are you trying to catch, the retest? No? Because essentially you're trading against the trend. Lows pushed up, small retracement, held support, pushed up, consolidation, pushed down, came back up, low, this is a whole consolidation, pushed down, held this support, and now it's pushed up. It's pushed above this consolidation area. So maybe I would look for like a retest for the, I mean, this would be a better move, like a retest push up. Unless you're just looking to scalp this little range here, whatever this may be. See if we're looking at the 30-minute. Trying to scalp like, yeah, actually that's like 80 pips. Yeah, 80 pips. That's the thing about gold, like a little move like that is, I mean, 88 pips, 90 pips, that's definitely something to, here's your first, 16, 25, 50, and then maybe right here, 68, 70. Yeah, you're trying to catch a retest? Yeah, that makes sense. If you're trying to catch a retest, that makes sense. But you know, you have, the probability is higher to go with the trend, and gold is, man, it's so volatile that it could probably spike down really quickly and then just completely wake up and continue to go up, to be honest. But maybe if you have your target levels within the range, that would be a good setup for sure. We'll see. Mike, do you only trade gold, or do you trade other things? Let me go ahead, and so we understood what happened here, right? After New York, here was New York. This is where we stopped at 8:30. And then it kind of melted here, tested this level, and then pushed up. Now, if you look at this, I'm gonna go ahead and delete the charts. We're gonna start from scratch, from blank here. We had a level of support here on a 30-minute. You would have saw this bullish engulfing, entered here, put stops below about 30 pips. Target next level. I don't know if it would have been worth it. Maybe you would have found a better entry on the 15-minute. No, 5-minute. Yeah, maybe this 5-minute here. Once this candle busted right there, put stops below. You're looking at 3.21 risk reward. Risking about 20 pips to make 68. Not bad. Old GJ and GU, bro. Okay, cool. What's up? Anyways, this would have been a nice setup, but the thing is this is at 1 o'clock. Would you be trading at 1 o'clock? I don't know. I mean, for me, you know, I stick to my sessions, whether that's London or New York. And, you know, to be honest, like, London has been moving way better than New York. All right, so let's look at the week. So the week has officially turned to bullish. The candle that it's on, it has a day and 16 hours left. We're looking up here to levels of resistance. There's one level right there, and we have another level up here. And we can see up there may be more to the left, but our immediate levels are right here and right here for the weekly. Now, what is a level lower than that? I would probably say around here. Another weekly level of support if it's moving down to hold support there and continue up. So that's what the weekly looks like. Let's look at the daily. The daily just shows a lot of bullish momentum and really some consolidation right here. You know, so the more consolidation we have, the higher the breakout's going to be. And you know, to be honest, maybe it's going to break out to the top, because to the upside, because it has these two important levels here on the weekly. Maybe, maybe not. We never know. Remember, we do not predict price. We react to price. Write that down. We do not predict price. We react to price. Okay. You can see here it pushed up, pulled back, went completely bullish, consolidated, came down a bit, and then it's pushing back up already. So we've got about 15 hours left on this candle. What does the 4-hour look like? Very similar. We have identified levels here of support. Right here. Right. And right down here. Right, and really this is probably the area I'd be looking at. Let's look at the 30-minute. I mean, look at the 30-minute. Trending up. Here's a pullback, pushed up higher, made a higher high. Pullback, made a higher high. Massive pullback. Breaking these levels. Seems to be a fake out here because it's pushed back up into this range. So really right now we are still bullish, and potentially we have resistance here. Resistance, price respected, push down. They broke through, came back, retested here, pulled up. Now it's pulled down, it's made a lower low, and it's at this key level testing. So what I'd want to see is how it's going to react at this level. But to be honest, my numbers are going to be right up here, right down here. And if we look at the range, if price breaks down below here, And you know what? I would probably move it right there. Right. I'm looking at these two candles right there below that. So then if we break down below here, we can take a sell, target this first area, which is about 24 pips, and then potentially moving further down, right? Maybe testing this zone down here, about 72 pips, right? Now, if we were to move up, you know, really actually put this here. Well, let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, if it breaks up above this, this would be a nice range, nice 20 pips. Potentially breaking through here to test this area longer term. But yeah, we have a nice setup here, either breaking below or above this area. The reason I chose this area, because look at this clean traffic to the upside. You know, you want to be able to catch that, and if catching that trend continues, like if you have continuation on the trend, then you're going to move to the next level. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. So I have my setup here. On the 30-minute, I'm going to go ahead and put notes here for you guys. Potential buys above 152.037. Okay, that there. Then we have potential sales below 151.65.4. Right here. Kind of what we're looking at. Anything in between this is kind of a range phase. So we just focus on breaking above or below. It's literally at the price above here. What I would like to see is maybe a candle confirmation bullish to push up, and then maybe a retest some sorts to then find an entry and continue up, right? Because what we don't want is this thing to move bullish and on this candle, on the 15 candle, and just continue to move bullish. Then we'll miss an entry and it'll just be a waste of time. But either way, we just wait for price to react here. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. So like I said, I'm gonna put these signs here so you guys know what we're looking for. Potential sales above, or potential buys above 152.037. Potential sells below 151.654. I did complete top-down analysis, and that's what I'm looking at. Obviously, I'd like the buy option because we're bullish, but I won't be scared to take a sell. Both of these are really nice ranges that can end up collapsing and making this trade really nice. So we shall see what happens here. Had a long day today. Look at this push down, held support, continued up, consolidated, and now maybe it's breaking above this. This is the area we want. If it breaks above this, we put our stops below here. We're looking at maybe a 10 stop loss or less, but maybe 12 pip stop loss. And we're targeting first target here by 18 pips. So we'll see how that goes. We're not in a trade, guys. We're watching for this to execute. Even if this thing pushes up, I want a candle closure. So, you know, we would look for like a candle closing above this price. There's support here, and with wicks, right? Give us that bullish confirmation, because right now, look, this was a consolidation phase, and it's attempting to break above that. And above that is my price point. So if the next 10 minutes we can close right above it, you know, I wouldn't mind entering a position at the close of that candle with my stops underneath. This is the 15 minutes, so I don't know if I would put I probably wouldn't put my stops underneath the previous candle. I would probably put it here. Well, no, it's because the next candle is going to be this candle, and this will be the previous. So if this previous wick candle at the bottom is just this, there's not a whole lot you can do with me. But I have the hold on a second, sorry. Thrown off here. Like I said, we're waiting for price here to push up. Close. We got 9 minutes. Got clean traffic to the upside. Potentially could move up all the way up to the next key level, 90 pips if you hold it. So just be patient, guys. We got 9 minutes. 9 minutes on the 15. What does the 5 minute look like? 5 minute is still consolidating here. If I saw some clear push to the upside, breaking through, then, you know, I could call an entry. But I don't feel comfortable with this sideways movement to call an entry. Man, that was fast. You just got back from the gas station? Just fixing some things here. 151.63. No, I don't. I've gotten screwed with correlations in the past, so I don't mess with that. 151.99.1. And honestly, this should be right. 152. 152.08. Would be a nice setup. We could put our stops here in continuation. We would look for this target first, and then potentially way up here. Nice risk to reward. What's going on here? We're looking at GJ, bro, and we're specifically looking at this area and this area for prices to either break below or break above. And if it breaks above, we're looking at that range for potential or below for this potential below. So we're waiting for price to tell us which way it wants to go. The reason I put it here is because of this resistance turned into support, turned again into resistance. If we can break above, we have some nice momentum and nice volume, and really just trying to fill this candle here. So you could take this trade and make some profits. All right, hang on guys, I'll be right back. Yo, I'm back. My bad. Had to take a quick break real quick. Look at this. Looks like we're coming up to this level, breaking up above here. I just don't like this consolidation. It's still kind of early. It's 1:20. New York pre-London starts in like 10 minutes. So maybe we catch the volume coming up here. It looks like it's breaking above. We got 9 minutes on that candle here. We could even potentially get in on the 15-minute. What does a 5-minute look like? There's a lot of little consolidation here. Honestly, I think a better confirmation would be the 30-minute here. It looks like we're coming up above this now. And what we want is for the candle to close above this price area, and then we can really just take this range, and it would be a really nice trade. What's up? What up? What up? Oh, you guys having a conversation here. South Africa, yeah, man. I'm gonna go out there and visit, bro. Shit looks badass from what I've seen. All right, all right, all right. Let's see here. Okay. That's funny. Sorry, I was reading a message I had got. Man, where's everybody out? Where's everybody at today? Celebrating St. Patrick's Day? Nobody's joining the streams. Usually we got a lot more people on by now. Oh well. Hey, we're coming on. We're gonna make our quick little trade, make our money, and go about our business. So if price closes where it's at right now, we got about 5 minutes. We will be taking this trade, and we will be putting our stops below the wick. Currently about 11-12 pip stop loss, which is fine. We do have a range here to go up about 16 pips. Nice clean traffic. Should be nice, and potentially hold up to this level 20 pips, and then maybe even moving further up. So just be patient. Be patient. Maybe this thing wicks back down underneath, and then we see the next candle breaking. But we are being patient. See what the 15-minute looks like. 15 minutes got about 4.5. Get it, bro. You should visit. Yeah, I'm gonna make that happen, bro. Yeah, I could put my stops below here. 8 pip stop loss. Ugh. Got about 4 minutes here. Trying to just calculate my risk. See my entries. Might get a nice quick trade here. Remember, pre-London's happening right now, and we're gonna move into London. May move into some volume. Look at the power. The Chinese indicator here, GBP, is strong direction versus JPY, the Japanese yen. So we should expect it moving up. Not based off just this. This is just a visual thing. See what the losers are doing. 63% are short. That means 90% of those are losing. Good sign for us if we want to go long, because the losers are shorting it. Opposite direction. Yeah, it's about a 9, maybe 10 pip stop loss here. Hopefully this creates a wick to the top. We got about 2.5 minutes, and I mean, this thing doesn't pull back a little bit, it's gonna mess up our risk to reward. It's 1.3 right now. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Maybe we should have gone in on 5 minute. One rows above, we could have probably gone in right here. Stops below here. Would have been a 4.75 pip stop loss. 15 pips. Not really a strong confirmation on the 5 minute. We still got about 2 minutes left here, and starting to wick to the top is a good sign. I'll probably enter on the 15 minute here. Be about 9 pip stop loss. Targeting this area up here. So we're not in yet. We're waiting for this candle to close, and yeah, because it's broken through. So stops below the wick here. About a 10 pip stop loss here. Got about 50 seconds. Let's just give it the time here. Let's be patient. Ah, this risk to reward is killing me, man. This entry is just not. 30 seconds left, and no. If this doesn't pull back, I can't get in. Maybe the next candle will pull back. Ah. The risk to reward isn't worth it. It's not worth it at this level. Like I need it to pull back some. It's a nice break, you know. where I want it to go, but I just cannot. I cannot enter here with this type of risk management. I mean, no. I mean, it's bullish. It's probably gonna push up, but I cannot risk this drawdown. We're talking about 12 pips here to gain 10 pips. Makes no sense, you know. Maybe we have we can look at a fib entry here. If it comes back down, and if it stops going up right now, I mean, really, I mean, this thing's probably gonna come back up to test through a full pullback here. Damn it. We haven't entered, because look guys, the risk to reward ratio, if we would have entered here, we would have put our stops below the wick. Okay, yes, we would have been in profit, but look at the potential here. You're risking about 13 pips to make 10 pips. The risk to reward ratio is 0.82. That is not worth it. Even if it hits to take profit, I mean, I'd rather lose that than go against the probability and my, you know, my trading plan. So I'm not in the trade. You know, if you took it and you're profitable in profits, congrats, but I am not in the trade. I'm gonna wait for a better entry, which at this point, unless it comes back to retest, I'm not sure where that entry is gonna be. It'd be nice to have a retest here, maybe put stops below. First level would be here, second level, and then maybe push up higher. So we're just gonna wait for a bit. What up, Jayadi? 30-minute close with almost no wick. Yeah, man. It just, I mean, even the volume on the 30-minute of this candle, like, it's nice that it broke the area that I wanted it to, but it went way too far. Threw my risk to reward ratio off. So really, I mean, it's not worth it to me. I can't jump into that. You know, can't justify that. It is what it is. We will find a better entry. I'm not concerned about that. I'm sure we will get an entry. We're gonna be patient here. Patient pays. Thanks, bro. I wasn't going for cute and bubbly, but I'll take it. Oh. Wish I could play some jam. Haha. Look like Daniel Savage took an impulse entry right below resistance, and I mean, it played out for him, but you know, I'd rather play it safe, to be honest. I'd rather play it safe. Look at it. I mean, yeah. Let's see if there would have been a possibility for an entry. I mean, this is all consolidation. Then it broke price point. Yeah, and maybe on this 5 minute, if I would have gotten on the 5 minute and then putting stops below here. But there's no wick on that 5 minute candle, so that would have been difficult. You know, it would have been in profits right now, like 10 pips. Like a 5 pip stop loss. This could have been a potential trade, but I did not take it because I did not see the 5 minute. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Maybe we get like pullback before continuation to the upside, but who knows? We do not predict price, we react to it. So we shall see. What time was this dip right here? 11 o'clock? No. 10 o'clock? Yeah. Damn, at 10 o'clock this thing like melted. Came down after this consolidation and pushed to this level of support. It's right here, right here, right here, right here. Even right here, right here. Maybe once we get to this level up here, it'll push down again. But the trend is bullish, man. I mean, it's hella bullish, you know. Look at this. Bullish there. Here's a touch point, here's a touch point. This is kind of a touch point. So if we've been creating higher highs, should we expect a higher high? You know? Channel. Just moving through this channel. So maybe it does create a little bit of a higher high where it falls down around Asian session and pulls back up. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Remember, we react to price, not predict it. Yo, if you guys are on Instagram, you guys can give me a follow. Lord Banks FX. I do recaps, challenges, and giveaways on my Instagram. Oh, yeah. I've been getting a lot of new followers here. Mr. Savage. I'm gonna hit him up, see what he's doing. I'm gonna ask him if there's another entry for all his non-followers. I don't know if you can tell, I'm in the festive mood for St. Patrick's Day. I turned my whole room green. And this trade setup here, have been hitting take profit or close to hitting close to hitting our target level up here. I mean, what is this? About 4 pips away. Damn. 4 pips away from hitting our level here. I guess nobody is trading Thursday, St. Patrick's Day. Very little people jumping on the stream here. Maybe they'll join us a little later. Who knows? Look at that. About to hit that take profit level. Oh, that would have been a good trade. That would have been nice. 15 pips. Damn, look at that. We missed that, guys. I didn't look at the 5-minute. If I would have saw the 5-minute, I would have got in. Pre-London, literally 1:30 pre-London. Pushing that volume up. That's on me, guys. I didn't look at the 5-minute. I would have saw this 5-minute right here, just so you guys can see. Look at this. Pushed down, broke through this area, came back up, held, respected it, consolidated, literally from almost midnight. It was like 11:35, all the way to 1:15. Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's always about, you know, not losing money. Either not losing money or making money. You know, if we don't take a trade, it's still a win because we didn't lose. But I'm usually pretty good at spotting these entries, and damn, it pissed me off. That would have been a 4.5 pip stop loss. Dude, 4.5 pip stop loss. Just imagine what your lot size could have been risking your account 1% with a 4.5 pip stop loss. Hit right now, it's up here already, 16, almost 17 pips. Bro, look at it. Been 18 pips. A 4.5 freaking pip stop loss. Jesus. That would have been a nice pickup right there. Look, and it's still pushing up. And I had called it right above this. Wanted to buy. It's all good. That's pre-London. You know, maybe we get a pullback. Get a nice entry to continue for London session. Like I said, right now. Oh, sorry. Right now we are in pre-London. London open is at 3 a.m. Damn it! Would have been an easy 15 pips. Even more, 18 pips. It's at 19, 20 pips. Could have got 20 pips here, guys. Damn it! Look, let's see how price is gonna react right here. This is resistance. This is resistance, and it may react by coming back down this area to continue this channel. Even though it's bullish, it may come down to test this area before it continues going up. Oh, that damn, it's freaking flying, dude. It is freaking flying. Oh my god. Oh my god. I missed it. I can't believe I missed that, man. It's all good. I'm up hella percentage for the week. It's been an amazing week. Yo, maybe if we get like a bearish signal here, we can take a sell. What do you guys think? Do we risk it for the biscuit? Who wants to risk it for the biscuit? Tell me what you're doing, GJ. Come on, GJ. Tell me what you're doing. What you doing? What you doing? Man, that's 23 pips. We could again, it would have been a 5.23 risk reward. I'm looking at the 5 minute, and if this rejects this support, I mean this resistance area, we could pull down. What does this fib say here? Go down to this area right here, golden zone, or it pushes up over here. Damn it! I can't believe I missed that, guys. Can't believe it. That would have been the move. That would have been the move. Right there. Got about 2 minutes left for this candle close. I just want to see what kind of price action it's going to give us. Man. We shall see. Patience game. This channel up. I mean, this already is testing these highs. What do you guys think? I mean, think at this point push down like over here? Could go either way. Missed our original entry here, where we could have gained 25 pips. Think it's gonna break? Yeah, well, I mean, it's Thursday. Maybe it's gonna break to test this weekly level. This level here is on the, I believe on the 1 hour or 4 hour. Yeah, look on the 4 hour. The wick. 1 hour, really the 30 minute. We shall see. Mackelson Masathans. Thanks for joining the stream, bro. Because I don't know if this is your first time. I think it's the first time I've seen your name. Either way, appreciate the support. Appreciate you coming through, checking out our live trades here. Alrighty then. Yeah, if you're just joining the stream and you're new here, I stream every London session here live. Just sharing my knowledge, taking trades live with you guys. You know, we're up for the week. We've been having a phenomenal week. Everybody that's been joining me, and most of you guys are new, unless I probably know you or you've been coming this week. You know, I do believe it's gonna break this area, but I believe that maybe it's gonna have a pullback, little retracement here. We're working through this channel, bullish, and yeah, just looking for the next setup here because we missed our original. If I would have seen it on the 5-minute here, would have got in once this broke. Once this candle broke, closed, got in on the next candle, my stops below, and we would have made about 23 pips here. But we can't dwell on the past, so let's continue to see what we're looking at here. We got about 7.5 minutes left on this 30-minute candle, 15-minute candle as well, and I just want to see how price is going to react here. Right? If I mean, if we get it, there's a couple of things that could happen. It could break through here, come back to retest this as new support before it creates the next high, testing the week. That's a potential here, or it could hold this resistance, come back down, test the bottom of this channel before it continues up. And, you know, yeah, I mean, because even this, I think even this level here would be a higher low than this low. So who knows? What's up, Fabian? Welcome back, Banks. It took a minute, but I still had that bullish bias. Nice, nice. You took it on the minute chart. I'm just drafting up ideas here. Dude, I missed the fucking. I can't believe, dude. Look at this. Hey. I missed this 5-minute, bro. Look at it. I had my price right here. I wanted to break above. This 5-minute broke above, closed. This was perfect entry, bro. Could have got in right here, put like a 5-pip stop loss. Could have made about 23 pips here. It's like a 4.71 risk to reward. Dude, it would have been a nice trade to start off the session. Would have been up 20 plus pips. Now we gotta wait. Gotta wait for an entry, a re-entry, really, because so now what we're doing is just writing up theories because we missed that entry and we don't know where this is gonna go. We go up, break, boom. This is a theory. This is a theory, or it could push down, you know, come back up, retest, and then continue down, further down. So you have 1 theory, 2 theory, or 3 theory. Either one of those things could play out. Which one is gonna play out? I don't know, man. I don't predict price. I just react to it. Remember that. Let's get out of these things here. Oh my. Alright. And I've been having a good time with you guys all week. I appreciate you guys joining me, because otherwise it'd be boring as hell trading by yourself. 15-minute. Oof. What's happening here on this level of resistance? See this consolidation, wicking, and then push down. You guys think it'll do something similar here? We got about 3.5 minutes on the 15, and it's kind of bearish. Maybe doing a doji. You know, signs of reversal, exhaustion. What do you guys think? 5 minute, it already turned bearish. This is creating new lows. Man, this could be holding this key level to push it down, to be honest. Now, if that's the case, let's talk this out. If this thing is pushing down, I'm not saying the bias has changed to bearish, but what is our probability? Let's say if this was to close right there, put our stops above the wick, about 7 pips stop loss here. We have clean traffic down to the downside. Target this area. What do you guys think about this setup? We got about 2.5 minutes and it's bearish. 2.5 minutes and it's bearish, holding this level of resistance. What do you guys think? I know it's against the trend. I know that you know, it's been pushing up, it's continued to push up, but you know, I think there's a range here that we could catch some nice pips. You know, it goes down here and potentially at some point test this trend line, right? Create a higher low. What do you guys think? Pullback possibility? Definitely. Yeah, so okay, Fabian, you think there's a pullback possibility, but would you take the pullback trade? Let me ask you that. How do you feel about that? What does your trading rules tell you? What would you do? Flipping back bullish with a minute left to go. Damn. What a tease, DJ. What a tease. It's back bullish. Taking a pullback trade in this zone is risky, bro. Very risky. It is very, very risky. But the numbers do play out, bro. Like if this was to come down, those bearish, look at this range we have, even to this price point, 20 pips. Would you be okay taking 20 pips? You know, coming back to this zone, 30 pips. Even if it came back into the range and tested the bottom of it, it's 50 pips. You know, even though the channel is big, like, you know, we have this bullish channel happening, and yeah, it is bullish. It's been bullish, consolidated, pushed up, consolidated, pushed up, pulled back down, pushed up, came down, made a lower lows, and then tested this line. And really, I mean, you could even say, boom, right there. This could be a fake out, to be honest. You know, just narrow down your channel here. Could have been moving up here, fake out to the downside, creating the new lows, and then completely pull up. That does that. Totally big ball sells. Bro, you gotta risk it for the biscuit, bro. You know what it is. No, but I would need some heavy confluence, some real confident, like just confirmations, you know. Like besides just a bearish candle, I would need to see some volume moving to the downside. See that? And if we look at the Chinese indicator here, it indicates that GBP is stronger than JPY. So really, should you be taking shorts? The losers over here, 64% of these client accounts are taking shorts. You know, 90% are losers. So maybe it's not a good idea. Look at this. This thing is flying. Wow. Look at this. If it pushed up, consolidate, pushed up. Maybe it looks good on the 1 minute, bro. You didn't take that on the 1 minute? What are you on? Let me see. Let me see what the 1 minute looks like. 1 minute is freaking crazy, but my homie Fabian over here, he'd be taking that. He'd be trading on the 1 minute. Oh, I mean, yeah, look, this is actually a really nice signal here. Stops up here, enter here, never came into drawdown and just flew. At this point, you would have been, about 30 pips in profit. 30 pips in profit, bro. Breakout on the 1 minute. 30 pips in profit on this one if you would have taken that 5 minute trade at the bottom and stuck with it. Broke out of my zone. My zone was right here. Broke out of the zone and traded this clean traffic up. At this point, it had enough volume to crack this consolidation. Small level up of resistance. Now we want to see how it's going to react to the trend. No. Oh, oof. I mean, we've been taking some. I mean, we've been winning all week, guys. Like, who are we kidding? We've been taking some nice trades all week, managing our risk, and I don't think. I mean, we've taken maybe 2 losses out of the 6 trades we've hit wins. 6 wins, 2 losses, and you know, we've managed our risk correctly. You know, I'm up over 10%. 1 minute is crazy. 1 minute is nuts. I think I gotta, maybe I'm gonna spend the weekend coming back and doing some back testing and checking out the 1 minute a little bit more. Maybe I can have a little bit more confidence in it. But for now, dude, look at this thing. This thing is just, wow. What is up with GJ, dude? Been 32 pips here. GJ on Thursday is just wow. You guys think we're gonna hit some level of support here and then come back down to test the bottom of this trend? What is the probability here? What do you guys think? You guys see the channel, right? You know, I cut this off here because this channel makes more sense. This could easily be a fake out to the downside and a pull up. You guys see that? What do you guys think? You guys think that we've hit a new high and we're gonna come down to pull back out after this? Secured 15 pips. Nice. Nice stuff, bro. Unfortunately, I have not jumped into a trade. I was just looking at this to see what I missed out on. Ooh, it's okay. I mean, I still had it right. It was pushing up and never gave me a good entry. Never gave me that good entry. You know, maybe we can look at the fib, you know? You guys think the fib can give me a nice entry here? You guys think fib to the top? Get a pullback, the golden zone, reject, move up, test this up here. What do you guys think about this? Got about 8 minutes left on this candle. Hella bullish, continuing to move up. I want to see how, I mean, it just completely disrespected this, and maybe this level of resistance is a break and we can do a retest. You know, a retest could be retesting this level and then moving up too. Honestly, I think the channel makes more sense. I don't know. Broke my key level at 152.3. Yeah, 152.300. About right here. Headed above these wicks here. Where you had your key level. I wish we would have caught this trade, man. It would have been freaking phenomenal. Freaking phenomenal, guys. Might get a retest, yeah. Might get a retest to this golden zone. Might get a retest to test this trend line. Might get a retest to test this support. Which one is it? No one knows. Right. Gonna keep watching this, see if we can get a nice setup, nice entry. Listen, the 5 minute candle, I missed it because it was on the 5 minute candle, and on the 15 it was already moving bullish and the momentum was too much for me to actually get an entry because I wanted the candle to close above the price point that I have marked up on the chart. So I played it safe. I missed the trade. But the thing you guys should take away from this is the fact that I'd much rather err on the side of playing it safe than risking, because then when you do the risking, you start gambling and risking unnecessary risk. You know, like my plan says, you know, break above the price point and close the candle to ensure continuation. Now, if that's not what's happening, not happening, but You know, what do I do? What do I do? React to price. Don't try to predict it. This is just drawings of, you know, possibilities. Possibilities. I'm not saying I'm in it. I'm not saying I would get in it. I'm just saying that this is the probability. And yeah. Just watching this thing. Watching how many pips I could have closed. 33 pips, damn. Wonder what this looks like to the left. To the left, to the left. Ugh. It's been a long day today, to be honest. Ugh. Damn, look at this. Bullish retracement. Now it's bullish again. This price right here is already crossed above this last high. So really, and this thing's gonna fucking move up to test this weekly, to be honest. That's what I see. Yeah. What kind of traders are you guys? Are you guys scalpers, intraday, swing? Let me know in the chat. I'm just curious. Just curious what kind of traders are in here. Yo, does this, if I'm like leaning into this, speaking into the mic, does this sound better or worse? Like this is me like with the mic in front of me. Now, how does that sound when I'm like sitting back over here? Better or worse? Just trying to determine if I need to like move my mic to a different place. You guys can't see it, but it's like a USB like mic with the whole arm and stuff. Sounds good, more loud but still clear. Both sound good. I just feel like cause when I hear it in my headphones, it sounds like a lot better when I'm like right in front of it, to be honest. Like when I'm away from it, I hear sometimes it's like cutting out. I don't know. I think it has to do with those filters that I have on. Hold on a second. I'm getting notifications here. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. What is going on here? Thing is blowing up here. Hang on, hang on, hang on. That's funny. All right. Damn it, man. Okay, so it looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Can we get a bearish confirmation? Yo, if this thing starts moving bearish, this is nice candle. Well, except for here. That's that previous level of resistance turned into support if it respects it. Alright. Look on the 1 hour here. I'm honestly just tempted to take a freaking sell here. Put your stops up here and then target this level down here. About 39 pips, 4.48 risk to reward, risking 8 pips. Put it at 10 pips. But I would prefer doing that if I saw it actually bearish, like a candle closure or movement. Looks like 15-minute is barely, no, it's going green. Not the day for them. Not even NC. Oh, look at that. And this thing just literally flying. 37 pips. That would have been 37 freaking pips. What am I doing wrong here? Could have got that buy. Would have been nice. Would have been nice. At this point, I mean, dude, honestly, if we don't like get like a retest here, this area, or break, retest, continuation, I think I'm just going to not trade for the session because it's not cooperating. So let me look at the time. It's 2:45, 3:30. Well, technically it would be 4:30, right? When we're looking for closure. What the heck? Alright, it's busting through, guys. Look at that. So look, this is just a setup. The trend is bullish. This bearish trading little design here for the risk reward. This indication of this trading going down for selling is not this. Okay, so I don't want you to like confuse it here. Like, understand, we are bullish. If you take this sell, this setup is, I mean, it's a huge risk, to be honest, because it's just going up. You don't want to counter trend trade, especially like you see the tunnel here that has been pushing it up. So people have been working on it. Maybe we get the setup we were looking for. Come up here, come down here before we move up here. Either way, I'll be right back, guys, okay? Yo, what's good? My bad. What up, Eric? I'm here. I am in here. So we missed this entry on the 5 minute. It was confirmation I had buys above this area. But I was looking at the 30 minute actually, and the risk reward wasn't what I wanted it to be. I missed this entry, and man, if we would have played that out, it would have been like 40 pips here, 45 pips. Ooh, it would have been nice. Yeah. Hopefully, we get a pullback here, because sorry guys, sneeze. Sorry about that. What is gold doing? Damn, look at gold. Clear entries to the downside. Is this a retest? Potentially continue? Or is it pulling back in? Like if you look at this level, I mean this whole, you could look at this whole area. It's consolidation, to be honest. But that consolidation range for gold, like over 100 pips. Damn, man, we just missed everything today. I mean, it's still early. It was 2:44. We have London Open happening in 15 minutes. Damn it. Look at this. I mean, this would have been that would have been the move right there. That would have been the move. $45 pips. Can you believe it, guys? This 5 minute confirmation, this 45 pips right there. Now it's pulling back here on this trend, pushing back, and the trend we had identified here. Gold an entry for sell. Hang on, I'll look at it in a second. Right now I'm focused on this GJ. Damn. I'm trying to force a trade here. I mean, even if we fibs down here, it would be nice for like a pullback to this area. Target that. So honest, I would wait for it to actually pull back, give us a sign of rejection, and then give us a sign of bearish before entering, you know. Look at this, 15 minutes. It's just really started. It's like 12 and a half minutes left. Was a 5 minutes, say about 2.5 minutes left. And if this 5 minute close or pushes down below here, this is like pretty risky. Pretty risky trade here. But we could see, man, I wouldn't even know. I really don't think it's worth it. No. See the consolidation? Push up, consolidation, push up, consolidation, push up, consolidation. Maybe we're gonna go down. What do you guys think? Don't really trade on the 5 minute, but it looks nice. I haven't taken a trade, guys. I'm not in anything. I missed this. I'm so upset with myself because I missed this really nice trade. Really nice trade. Look at this. I mean, really, since getting in, it was like, if you would have got in right here, there'd been no drawdown. No drawdown for you. Absolutely no drawdown from this point. Would have been really nice. Okay. Good, Eric. No, bro, I'm not in right now. I'm not in the trade. I'm not in the trade. I freaking missed it, bro. Like, so upset with myself. I had this set up, but I was looking at a higher time frame, and I was waiting for the breaks. I mean, I had already written above, below, right? And then we were waiting here and it broke, but we were looking at the 15 minute, and you see this, it didn't quit. It just kept rising, and my target was right here at this level, and it got to a point where the risk to reward ratio wasn't matching up for me anymore. I was like, I couldn't enter. But if I would have gone down to the 5 minute, I would have seen here easy enter right here. See the break of the price? It entered right here. The close of this candle, boom, put stops below, and we would have ridden this thing all the way up to 45 pips. That's how nice this trade would have been, but I missed it. That happens. And I was here watching it, like looking at the areas like when it was pushing up, but because I didn't come down to the 5 minute, I missed the entry, and by the time I realized it up here, it ruined my risk to reward, and it no longer became worth it. So right now it looks like it came and tested the top of this trend line, this channel, and if we can get some like bearish indication, maybe we get a nice pullback. You know, really we could stretch this, look at this to be on the same side, right? So look, bullish, we can come back down here. This would be a nice entry to then continue to the upside. I am not in, and it sucks. So upset with myself. We got about 6 minutes left on this candle, and if you take a sell here, that would be counter trend trading. So I don't know. I know some people did take the trade and secured like 15 pips. You see, because my initial level was here, right? We're looking at this, but calculating all these pips, you know, I would have got in here, you know? But the thing is I thought that at this point it was going to push down some more, so I couldn't do it. I couldn't jump into it. Oh. It's already 3 o'clock, or like 6 minutes away from 3 o'clock, which is London Open. Really, we see, you know, we want to see London Open to have volume for the GBP pair. So like push up, maybe identify a target, then come back and test it. These are just like theories and stuff I was explaining to people earlier. I'm not gonna go into that anymore. Like, I just wanted to kind of show you visually what I was thinking about. Ah. Like, would the risk of this being counter trend trading, if it closes bearish, be worth it? What do you guys think? You know, if we close bearish, put stops above, and then target level down here. You know, obviously you would probably put target 1 to be at 11 pips, and then target 2, target 3. Like, this is nice. This is nice, clean traffic to the downside. Retest at 152.300. Okay, so we're on this level. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Like, if you look at this channel and where it's at, like, I don't know if that support will hold. Like, it is support, but I don't know if it'll hold, you know, the retest. The 1 minute is being created, order block waiting for the breakout, watching price action. So 1 minute. Oh man, I think like, look at this. Lower high, double top, push down, lower high, maybe we push down. This whole thing is under the Mexican consulate. Like, I mean, like, sorry, the way I'm thinking about it is, you're talking about this area, right, Fabian? Sorry. What if we break above? You know? I just don't have so much confidence in the 1 hour, I mean the 1 minute strength. Hear that? I don't think the sales, respecting my key level 152, 300, you have this consolidation. Waiting for the breakout either way. Okay. Are you waiting for breakout like the impulse, or are you waiting for breakout close candle? No, maybe if this close candles, if this 1 minute, if this 15-minute closes bearish, I might give it a chance for the sells. May do that. About 50 seconds left. But I mean, I want the body to close below this. Body got closed below the previous body. Did create a lower low, but and then maybe target that 152, 300 area. 52, just this area in general. And actually, pips is 15 pips. You guys want to take 15 pips right here? We got 15 seconds. And it is closing bearish, but it's closing within the candle. I think so. It's closing within the candle 1 second. Honestly, it's probably going to push back up. You up. Stops below. Risk. And but what do you target here? Just because price is way over here. I mean, ah. The reason I didn't enter off this one, although this is bearish and signs of price reversal, the body of this candle closed inside the body of this other one, so it doesn't really give me confidence. Yeah. Oh man. That money, girl. Gotta get that cash. Cash for money. Oh. Big tips, banks, I'm telling you. What reviews? Jumping up. Yo. Can you guys hear me? Oh shit. Yo, my bad guys, I'm back. But look at this, good thing we didn't take that fucking sell right here because it's still pushing up. This looks more like the probability up here. Freaking out, retesting on this channel. Can you continue up? What do you guys think? Oh man, this was the trade, guys. This was the move for today. Missed it. Missed the damn. I missed this. So upset, man. Look, we could have kept runners, dude. That would have been 50 pips. I can't believe I missed this, guys. Won't happen again. Promise you. Man, all we can do is watch now. I mean, we're watching from the sidelines, looking what the potential could have been. If we would have got in on that 5 minute, we would have still been in this thing, riding up for 50 pips. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, I'm still up for the week. It's nice. It's just, like, you hate to miss something so nice. You know, like, it just, man. The perfect setup, literally pushed right above my price, my entry price point here, and it never even, like, just think, look at it. If you would have pushed up, entered here, and it would have pushed up, hit this first level, you would have moved your stop losses to break even, maybe even taken partials here, right? It had consolidated for a couple candles and then shot up again, and then you could have moved your stops over here. It would have never came back down to there, consolidated a bit, broke out again, pushed up, and then this whole consolidation portion till it broke up again. Damn, missed it, man. And I was there. I didn't. I was looking at the 15, I was looking at the 30, and I did not come down to look at the 5. That's on me, guys. I'll make it up next time. New York, hopefully it's good to me. You know, I'm still up pretty nice for the week. Percentage wise, I'm not concerned about it. You hate to miss a really nice setup like that, where you're not coming back to entry point, you're not, you know, just hitting 10-15 pips and drawing back down. Like, you like to see these really nice pushes, right? Especially in your bias direction, like bullish, been bullish, identified this channel as bullish, identified the break area. Is what it is. We're gonna just have to write this one off to the game. Write this one off to the game, brother. Shit. Wish I could. That's how I feel right now. I don't know if you guys heard that. How do you trying to find out. Can you guys hear that or not? It's I got sound effects on my. Yo, I got this stream deck and I got like these sound effects I want to play while we're trading, but I can't seem to find a way to actually play them. Like I can play them and I hear them, but you guys don't hear them. Like I'm playing them and you guys don't hear them. Like this sound effect would have been perfect. Not that one. Where is? This. Oh. There's one that says like, I did read the instructions, bro. Like, it's playing it. I can hear it. You guys can't hear it. Why? I don't know. Maybe let me try this. Like, if I can't get into a trade, maybe I can fix this damn sound effect thing. Alright, like, I'm gonna try something real quick. Give me one moment. Alright. Can you guys still hear the background music? Let me know if you can hear the background music. Cause maybe this will work right here. Yeah? Okay. This is how I feel right now. Cause I miss this perfect setup. And you hate to miss perfect setups, even though you did all your due diligence to set it up and identify it. Could you hear it or not? The sound effect was like a sad violin. TikTok, yeah. Look, I got this one too.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
We'll get them next time, guys. So I have like a bunch of sound effects, right? And you know, I think it just makes it for a more interesting stream. You know, like if we were to get into a trade and hit or take profit, take some profits, you know, we can cash out real quick. You know, when we get into a trade and it goes into automatic drawdown.
Oh shit, here we go again.
You know, like I think it's pretty cool. Just when we if like we would have gotten into this trade and hit 50 pips profit on London session, Boom, baby. Let's go. Yeah, so like I got a bunch of sound effects set up basically. And but the thing is this way that I set it up, like if you guys hear all the sound effects that I just played? Like if you heard all the sound effects I just played, those, I can only do this if I'm playing my desktop audio, and I don't want to do that because I have like notifications and stuff that'll be popping up, and I don't want that to be coming over to the stream. Like I don't want that audio to come out. So yeah, it's one of those things. I gotta figure it out. I'll figure it out eventually, but you know, damn man, I feel like we came on the stream, identified a badass setup, and missed the damn trade. Look at this. Think it's retesting this channel. And honestly, if we could get a nice little pullback, there's your breakout, bro. Did you get that on the 1 minute? You traded this breakout? But this is kind of if you waited for this candle to close on this breakout, only like 6 pips. I'm saying the breakout retested this trend line. What do you think? You think if we create support here, get bullish confirmation? What do you think about an entry? Man, we still got it's 3:30. And I'm gonna leave this as a potential setup. Stops below the wicks. Below the wick about 6 pips. And I'm gonna target this area up here. Check gold. What does gold look like? Yeah, it pulled up a little bit. Looked like it stalled out right here. 30-minute still bearish. 1 hour bearish. 4 hour bearish. 5 minute. Maybe he's just picking up some volume before it falls down. Keep in mind that this blue level here is a level of resistance, support. Broke through. This is testing the support levels, so maybe this could be an area where, see this, it broke this resistance, broke it. Maybe it's retesting. It holds it, continuation to the upside. Maybe. Damn it. What did I miss here? It's the start of this new candle. I mean, we're still got like 13 minutes left. But look, it broke through, held support, like it's treating this channel as support, pushed up, came back down to retest it. It held it. Now, if we can get a bullish candle, the 5 minute look like Consolidation breakout. Going back to the consolidation area. Ideally, we want to have a bullish candle confirmation. Man, 52 pips. And it's pushing down. Last thing I want is this thing to come to test this support because stops are here kind of short. Anyways, guys, it's 3:30 and that is all she wrote for me. I'm gonna jump off the stream. We missed my entry. I'm gonna be back on from New York. Try to see if I can catch something nice. Damn it. I can't believe we missed that nice setup. Oh, I missed it and screwed it up for you guys. You guys should have gotten it. Hell of a setup. Won't happen again though. Come back, see what we can catch for New York. Hey guys, I really appreciate you jumping on the stream, showing me some love, joining me here, keeping me company. If you got any value out of this, and if you like the stream, go ahead and give me a like and make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I go live again. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.